So my name's Ian Dunlop. I'm from the University of Manchester in the UK, and we're part of Open PHACTS, which was nicely plugged in the previous talk, so thank you very much. So let's go. So what is Open PHACTS? Well, basically it's taking all your favourite life sciences, bio, cheminformatics data, joined it all together, linked it all together, and then poured it all into a linked data platform, which I'm sure you've all heard of things before, like RDF, linked data, etc. However, just to make things different, there's no public Sparkle endpoints. There's no Sparkle free-for-all, because that's you're just going to say select star and kill a server, right? So that's not going to happen. And it's all accessible via an HTTP API instead. And if you go and look at this URL down here, you can see all the documentation. For example, here's some of the little API calls you can get here. So about compounds, for example. And it's all documented, all the response formats are documented. You can ask for it in JSON, Turtle, XML, all your favorite formats as well. But what we also done was we provided some applications. So we built some applications on top of our own API so that people could actually see what to do with this stuff, right? We also built some libraries so you could access it in JavaScript and Ruby as well. So this thing's called the Explorer. It's out there today. It's free to use. But then some of our users said, well, that's all well and good, but can I embed these things in my own web page? You can see where I'm going here. So he said, can I take this picture of aspirin and put it in my own web page? So we thought, why not? So basically, we wrote some JavaScript, and we allowed you to stick a specific div, a little HTML tag on your page, and then this information about aspirin would just magically appear on your website. For example, this is when I actually wrote the blog post about all this stuff, and you can see down the bottom here, I'll walk across. So this stuff is actually using the widget in the background. So this is a WordPress blog, for example, you can embed it on there. And of course, this is where the plug happened. We thought, well, what do we do these things? So we found a nice home for them. We found Bio.js, fantastic. So a nice bit of synergy there. So we wrote about 6 widgets, and we pushed them all into Bio.js. If you look down the bottom, this is Chrome. You can see all the Bio.js magic there, important libraries, and a little bit of tiny, tiny bits of code snippet, which lets you access all the power of this API that Open PHACTS has built for you. Of course, the world does not stand still, because if you stand still, you get eaten, right? So hey, Bio.js 2, so I had to rewrite all my code. Thank you, Bio.js. Anyway, so you see this. So basically, we started with 6 widgets, and so far I've managed to convert one of them to the Bio.js 2 standard. It's just a matter, like all these things, it's just taking the time to do it. But we will do that. Of course, it's all open source. So if anybody wants to do this for us, please contribute. We're more than welcome. Okay, so basically we start with the linked data API. We developed some applications, then we developed some widgets so you could put these visualizations on your own web page, and then we added them to the Bio.js project. Thank you very much.